Question 6, part B then, we are given f dashed as a function, and we're asked to find f of x, and we're given some information here as well. So to go from a differentiated function to the function itself, we need to integrate. There was a method mark here given if you at least demonstrated that you knew you needed to integrate, and then this information here we'll use to find the constant of integration c. Now, on this question, a few people saw it's a composite function and tried to do a kind of version of the chain rule to integrate this using the chain rule. Now, the chain rule is a method for differentiation. It can sort of sometimes be used backwards, but in this case, because we've got 2x squared minus 3 inside here, it's going to be too complicated for us to use the chain rule. It's not going to work. Instead, we will integrate term by term using what we've got in part A. That's why these two questions are connected, even though they seem as if they're completely separate. So we've got that f dash of x is term by term this. It would be good if I could fit it on one line, but I can't. So f of x is the integral of that. I'm just going to write down f dashed of x. Remember to write with respect to x as well. We want our notation to be correct here. Okay, so we just go through integrating term by term. So to integrate, we add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. So 16x to the power 9 over 9 minus 96x to the power 7 over 7 plus 216x to the power 5 over 5 minus 216x cubed over 3 plus 81x over 1 plus c. Very important not to forget your constant of integration there. These numbers look horrible, but because we're actually given f of 1 equals 40, we're going to be substituting x equals 1 into all of these, which is, other than 0, it's the nicest number that we could be substituting in. So f of 1 is 40, means that when x is 1, the value of this will be 40. If we substitute 1 in all of here, we'll be left with our only unknown as c, so we can find c. So here we've got 16 ninths minus 96 over 7 plus 216 over 5 minus 216 over 3 plus 81 plus c, and that is going to be equal to 40. This is where we pick up our calculator, bung it all in and calculate c. So I'm going to do that now. And c comes out to be minus 83 over 315. It feels like we finished, but we still need to write out the full function f of x with this, all of this plus this though. Don't forget to write out the full function at the end. Might feel like a lot of repetition, but this is what's required to give a full answer. Plus 81x. Hopefully you've got slightly smaller writing than me and you managed to fit it all onto one line. That's that one done.